Well, my new chickens are starting to lay pretty good. The New Hampshire Red, and then these are Barred Rock or Plymouth Rock. And then I've got some of the older, the black ones are older, and then I've got some older Barred Rock there, kind of showing their age with little brown spots on them. But they're starting to lay. I found out something kind of interesting. Up until about a week or so ago, every afternoon I throw some scratch out for them, just a little bit, not a lot, because I don't want to hamper their egg productivity. But I would throw the scratch out for him, and he would always go over there. And the new chickens, he never seemed to like them. He just peck at them, and he wouldn't let them. I'd throw some scratch over here, and if they'd run over to it, he'd run over and starts pecking on them. And I just noticed, I thought, boy, you know, one of these days, those are going to be your girlfriends. You may not want to pick on them so bad. So anyway, I noticed the other day that he, let's just say he had found that a couple of these, that he liked redheads, or, you know, that they were his girlfriends. Let's just put it in that way. And I have noticed that since then, he does not peck on them anymore. Doesn't pick on them anymore because they're his girlfriends now. Ain't that just like a man? Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. If your rooster's picking on your little chicks or your little chickens, your young chickens, young pullets, once he becomes enamored with them, shall we say, that'll usually stop. All right, they sure are pretty, and they're starting to lay, and I like it. All right, we're gone.